of Infantry, 18 Grenadier, and 8 Sikh were tasked to recapture Tiger Hill. The attack commenced on 2nd of July 1999 after a heavy barrage of artillery fire. The commando platoon of 18 Grenadier assaulted Tiger Hill from vertical cliffs to the east, while the rest of the battalion attacked from southern and southeastern slopes. Simultaneously, 8 Sikh assaulted features to the west of Tiger Hill, namely India Gate and Helmet. The battle raged for 10 long days, and Tiger Hill was finally rid of the intruder on 11th July 1999. In this operation, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav of the Commando Platoon of 18 Grenadier was awarded with the nation's highest gallantry award, the Paramveer Chakra. His platoon leader, Lieutenant Balwant Singh, was conferred with the Mahavir Chakra. While the operation in Tiger Hill was still in progress, the peak of the west, namely point 4875, was also being attacked. 13th Jammu and Kashmir Rifle was tasked to capture point 4875. Presently it is known as Batra Top. 17th Jat was tasked to capture Pimple 1, Pimple 2 and Wellback. 2 Naga was tasked to capture twin bombs to the north. The 3 units commenced a multi-directional attack on 4th July 1999 and successfully achieved their objective by 7th of July 1999. In this operation, Captain Vikram Batra of 13th Jammu and Kashmir Rifle laid down his life for the nation, and he was posthumously awarded with the Paramveer Chakra. The troops of Ladakh Scout also played a vital role in the entire war. Major Sonam Wangchuk and his brave troops displayed a conspicuous bravery in the face of enemy for his action in Chor Batla sector, and he was awarded with the Mahavir Chakra. During Operation Vijay, apart from Dras sector, some fierce battles were also fought in Kargil, Batalik and sub-sector Hanif. In Batalik sector, 1st Battalion of the 11th Gorkha Rifle was tasked to recapture Khalubaril. In this operation, Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey displayed exemplary courage and gave the ultimate sacrifice with his life, and he was posthumously awarded with the Paramveer Chakra. South Siachen Glacier, Turtuk subsector saw battle fought on some of the highest peaks in this war. Enemy had incurred in features like point 5590, 5770, point 5220. 11th Rajputana Rifle, 9 Mahar, 13 Kumaon, 27 Rajput Battalion wrote unprecedented chapter of valor to evac the enemy from this peak. This sector is known as Subsector Hanif after Captain Hanifuddin of 11th Rajputana Rifle. During Operation Vijay, the Indian artillery had fired 2.5 lag rounds on the enemy and facilitated capture of one peak after another. That is why today point 5140 is known as Gun Hill. While the ground troops played the most important role in the Kargil war, the Indian Air Force also played a vital role launching Operation Safed Sagar. It was aimed flushing out regular and irregular troops of Pakistani soldiers with heavy bombarding into their areas. The highest tradition in Indian Armed Forces, and he was posthumously awarded with the Veer Chakra. The Indian Navy, in support of Indian Armed Forces, launched Operation Talwar. It was aimed choking the trade route of Pakistan. The Indian Armed Forces lost 545 soldiers in the entire operation, and 1,536 more were wounded. This memorial stands in testimony to all those brave hearts who gave up there today for our tomorrow. Finally, I request you all, today, let us honor the noble and the brave, the soldiers who dedicated their lives and sacrifices they made. Some came back with battle scars, others in flag draped coffin. Even though their body may have left us, but their spirit will never be forgotten. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Zorak Sahib, I have finished my briefing.
Thank you.
Zorak Sahib.